welcome back to more math fun with Mr. Filer. We're going to get right into it. Today we're going to be talking about percent increase and percent decrease. So things go up, maybe you get a raise. You're working for $5 an hour, now you're going to work for $8 an hour. Things also go down. Maybe it was $5 for a watermelon, but today only it's $2. So things go up, we have a percent increase. Things go down, you guessed it, we have a percent decrease. All right, so we're talking about topic number 12 today, and that's percent of change. So I want to start with problem number 10. And in problem number 10 from your homework, we have a situation where something is going up. And so it's going from 16 tons and it's going to go up to 72 tons. And so the question, of course, is what is the percent increase? How much did it go up? All right, so to find the percent increase, we use this formula. Change dividing by starting point. All right, so let me break that down. Change is always a subtraction problem. To find the change, we're going to take the top number, 72, and subtract the first number, the smaller number. That's always going to tell us how much it changes. So 72 minus 16, okay, hop on your calculator if you want to. I will. So 72 minus 16, and I get 56. So this thing, when it went from 16 to up to 72, it changed. In this case, it went up 56. Again, to find the change, we always do the same thing. We subtract. Now, the starting point is easy. There's no math. Just go look for that first number. Where does this problem start? At what number does this problem start? It starts at 16. That's where it started and before it went up. So 56 divided by 16. So get on your calculator. 56. Let's see if it'll start. I think my calculator just died. 56 divided by 16. 56 divided by 16. I'll have to swallow my pride and use my calculator in my phone. 56 divided by 16 is 3.5. 3.5. 3.5. Now we're not done because we were looking for a percent increase. So 3.5 has to be multiplied by 100. And that'll take me to percent land. Right now I'm in decimal land, 3.5. But I need to get to percent land. So 3.5 times 100 is easy. You just move the decimal over 2 places. If you don't want to do that, go in your calculator, multiply 3.5 times 100, and you will get this right here, 350. And now we are a percent. So what is the percent increase from 16 to 72? It's 350%. And by the way, you need to say percent increase. All right? Because that's what it is. It's a percent increase. Let's try another one. Let's try a percent decrease. So this one's going to go down. This is number 12. This is number 12. This time, things aren't going up. We won't have a percent increase, but we will have a percent decrease. Number 12, it goes from 188 to 42. It goes from 188 down, percent decrease, to 42. So the question, of course, is, well, what is the percent decrease? Here we're going down. That first problem we went up, but the formula is the same. It's change. Well, how do you find the change, Mr. Filer? It's easy. To find the change, we take the big number and subtract the small number. 188 subtract 42 equals 146. My calculator's working magically. My change here is 146. That's my change. C-H-A-N-G-E. It's change divide by starting point. Well, there's my divide. Well, where did we start? On this one, we started with this number. We started at 188. We changed 146. We found that by subtracting. We started at 188. That was our first number. So get on your calculator. 146 divide by 188 equals, and again, I'm going to be in decimal land, 0.776. It goes on, but that's good enough. Now, to get to percent land, always the same thing. Multiply by 100. And I get 77.6% decrease. You need the decrease there. Okay. Let's do one more together, and then, you know what? I think we're good. Let's just do one. Now let's let you try one. Okay, so let's pick one. We'll do a money one. 328 to 333. Ooh, this is going to be a good one. 328 to 333. By the way, this is problem number 15 on your homework. It doesn't change much. 328 to 333. 328, and it goes up just a little bit to 333. And so we want to know, what is the percent change? Okay? This is not a percent decrease. How do you know that? It's going up. Not much, but it is going up. So go ahead and try it on your own. Pause and give it a shot, and then we'll come back. All right? So pause. Okay, we're back. Did you try it? I hope so. How much do we change? What do we change? What's the change? That's the first number. What's the change? What is the change? Subtract. I don't even need my calculator for this one. 33 take away 28. That's a change of 5. That one went up 5. It went up 5. Again, if you don't want to do that, just put it in your calculator. 333 minus 328. That's how you find the change. Subtract. Now, divide by starting point. Well, where do we start here? 328. That's the number we started at. 328. This is going to be a really small change. I have the feeling. Let me go on my calculator. 5 divide by 328. And I get 0.015. 0.015 equals 0.015. Again, that's not the percent. That's the decimal. Multiply by 100, and you're going to get, move it over 2 places to the right, 1.5%. Okay, on that 0.015, I just multiplied by 100 in my head. I just moved the decimal 2 places to the right. If you don't want to do that, put 0.015 in your calculator, times it by 100, you'll get 1.5. And this is 1.5% increase. All right? It's going up. Not much, but it is going up. All right? So that's percent increase and percent decrease. Not a big deal. All right. Good job today. See you next time. Bye.